Hello everyone, welcome to the Celtic Manor Resort. Myself and my family were lucky enough to spend a whole 2 weeks in the Hunter's Lodge here in Newport, South Wales. The resort is set in the beautiful Usk Valley overlooking rolling parkland and countryside. It's set in 2,000 acres of parkland and estate grounds, offering space for nature and plenty to explore. At the Celtic Manor Resort Hotel, there are approximately 400 guest rooms. In addition to hotel rooms, the wider Celtic Manor estate offers a variety of properties like the historic Manor House, the Caldra Court, the Tea Hotel Mega, Newbridge-on-Usk, as well as 10 Hunter Lodges on property. If you want to see one of those, look at my previous video. They also offer the farmhouse and the barn as well as the hotel room, collectively offering well over 600 plus places to stay when all the properties are counted. It's known for its world-class golf courses and award-winning spa and wellness facilities, diverse dining options, large events, conference spaces and excellent leisure facilities. So it's a truly all-round fantastic destination with something for everyone, from families to groups to couples, spa lovers, activity seekers and golfers alike. Talking of golf, the Celtic Manor has 3 championship golf courses. The 2010 course. In 2010, the Celtic Manor played host to the Ryder Cup, marking the first time in history that a venue built specifically for the tournament was used. The Roman Road course, which is a traditional parkland layout designed by Thomas Trent Jones Sr., and the Montgomery course, designed by Colin Montgomery with a mixture of woodland and open terrain. Let's shine a spotlight on one of the Queen rooms, and we're kindly shown around this room by Ella, not Anna, Ella and Ben. Here we go. Hello, we're here at the Celtic Manor Hotel and Resort, and we've come to see a Queen room. I've got Anna and Ben with me. Hi, and this is a Queen room on floor 9.
Of course, yes.
Brilliant,
So
thank you.
Head in now.
Thank you very much.
Very welcome.
Wow.
So you've got your balcony view at the end. Each room has a different type of view depending on what is preference.
Okay.
Then you have the additional amenities in each room as well.
Brilliant.
So bathroom is just located to the left for you.
Fantastic. So this being the standard room, does this doesn't come, because I know some of the rooms come with extras, don't they?
Yeah, so that's the signature rooms. We'll be moving on to them momentarily. So this is the standard room, the first type of room that you can book into.
Right. So this is the
lowest rate.
Yes, and this is fantastic. And look at that view, especially if you're into golf, you can see. So which course is that? Is that the main course, or is that?
This is the Roman Roads, the Roman golf course. We have 2 more, the Montgomery and the 2010.
Right.
All accessible all throughout the year.
Brilliant. So am I looking at, that's not the high ropes, is it? Archery?
Archery, axe throwing. We also have adventure golf, and we have a park for the kids. And,
high ropes, low ropes and forest nets as well.
Brilliant.
So, yeah.
Oh, wonderful. Any idea what that castle is over there? I wonder.
We will have to...
We're in Caerleon, aren't we? So it's got to be Caerleon Castle, isn't it, I suppose?
Caerleon Castle.
Yeah. I'll edit that out until I know I'm right.
And obviously you do get your amenities in the room for your general tea and coffee. We have a fridge available. Mini bar is if you need it on request. For this one, signature rooms, you do have it with automatically.
Fantastic, wonderful. That's brilliant.
And the bathroom's just in the corner.
Let's have a look. Is that the right? Yeah, got the right one. The marble floor is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And of course all the LMS I love the smell of that. Showering every morning with LMS is a must. And a nice walk-in shower as well.
And all the LMS products are used within the spa treatments as well.
Are they? Yeah. I haven't been lucky enough to use the spa yet. Oh, and the robes, wonderful. Gonna miss those. What else? You have a safe as well.
So a safe. We have an ironing board for your events and stuff, and some slippers as well, and plenty of room to hang all your stuff up.
Yeah, that's brilliant. The rooms in the hotel, a normal check-in would be 4
o'clock. Same with the lodges. Obviously, if we have the availability, we check in early where possible, but for signature rooms, guaranteed from 3 o'clock for you.
Wonderful. And check-out time is 10 a.m?
11 a.m.
11 a.m.
And based on availability morning of your checkout, we can sometimes offer 12 p.m. complimentary checkouts.
Oh, that's good. That's brilliant. Thank you. So these are all the restaurants they have here. The Olive Tree is the main, which is that one is the main restaurant. I've dined at the Grill a few times, which has been really nice. Steak on 6, we've done a little video you may have seen on Steak on 6. And Pad is where Amy went last night. Highly recommend that. So 3 out of the 8 we've eaten at. But I will try them all before I leave. Going off the main foyer, you've got shops. You've got little shops and boutique places around here. This is where I'm going to come to buy my perfume. I tried on a perfume here the other day called CELT. That one there. Put some perfume on my wrist, and it stayed there for days. So highly recommended, and that's what I'm going to be buying now. There's the buses that take you back and forth and around the Celtic Manor. These children, as you just come in through the lobby on the left-hand side, apparently were modelled after Terry Matthews' grandchildren. And they're really cute. And they've been there every time I come here. They are there. They don't go very far at all. Thank you very much for watching. A huge thank you to the Celtic Manor Resort, and of course to Ben and Ella for letting me have a look around and looking at all the room types. If you'd like to see more of these, including the presidential suite and also a signature room and suite, then please carry on watching our channel. See you soon. Bye.